Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make some donuts for 18-inch dolls. Yeah, so let me just show you what they look like so then I can tell you how to make them. Okay, so this is the donut. It's cream filled and it has chocolate on the top. So that's that one, and then I have this one. I don't know what it is. I think it's like blue raspberry or something. But yeah. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. Oh, how wonderful. I'm in the kitchen and I can slide. Yay. Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need are cornstarch, baking soda, and water. Now the tools you will need are a spoon to mix, measuring spoons. Make sure you have tablespoons, that's pretty what's important here. A bowl to mix with, a microwave safe bowl, and a microwave. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your microwave safe bowl and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to it. Then 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And finally 1 tablespoon of water. Now mix until well combined. And now we're going to stick it in the microwave for 20 seconds. When it's out of the microwave, mix it. It can get a little difficult. Mix it until it is no longer hot. Once that's done, if the mixture is too crumbly, try adding a little bit of water. When it's cool enough to touch, you can knead it like Play-Doh. It should have the consistency of Play-Doh. And if it's still too crumbly, just wet your fingers in some water and start rubbing it. Now to make our donuts, you take a small piece of the cornstarch dough. So this is going to be for an 18-inch doll. You're going to want to make it a little bit big. So I think about 1 recipe of cornstarch dough will make 2 donuts. So just roll it into a ball. Then use the palm of your hand to kind of flatten it a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit kind of to get this shape. And then repeat it again. When they're all done, put them in the oven at 175 degrees for 1 hour. So they are now ready, and I'm going to take them out. Always have adult supervision when working with hot objects. You hear me? There they are. So now I'm just gonna let them cool because they're kind of hot, so I'm gonna let them cool. Now that they're cool to the touch, we are going to be able to paint them. Isn't that fun? You can use puffy paint or acrylic paint, but I don't have that much puffy paint, so I'm just gonna use acrylics instead. And also, acrylic adds a nice layer like this. Meanwhile, this is puffy paint. It's a lot more glossy. So yeah, we're gonna use acrylic. Oh! I forgot something. I forgot to say that before you start painting the donuts, you have to dust them with makeup or chalk pastel. Because you don't want just a plain white one unless you want to make it look like they haven't been cooked yet. That's what you can do. So I'm just going to go ahead and dust them now. Once all of your donuts are dusted, now we can begin painting them. I mean, look at how good they look. Let's begin painting. Okay, so here they all are. Nice and beautiful. Although there are a couple similarities between some people. Okay, so I got my paintbrush with some white on the back. And I'm just gonna take my donut, find the spot where I want the cream fill to be, and just blob it like that. You can make it bigger or smaller, but that's how it looks like it's cream filled. You can flatten it out when it's about to dry, but I'm gonna do that to all of my donuts. So here they are. They're not completely dry yet, but the cream is on there. These two are the only ones that are dry, but they have a little cream. The cotton candy one has chocolate inside, and I separated these from the rest because he's a little messy. You can also make packaging for the donuts by using paperboard and some tape. Make the packaging. Start by taking some paperboard or a cereal box, just a sort of a thin kind of cardboard or paper, but that would be too thin. Cut a piece from it, and you can cover it in white paper. So I'm going to do that in a second. When it's covered in paper on both sides, you can take a pen, and if you want, you can write like nutritional value or just cute stuff. Once that's done, you can flip it over and make sure that your donut or donuts fit. I'm going to be fitting 2 into 1 package. And now you're going to need to grab the tape. Okay, I've removed my paper in case the tape wants to stick to it. So I'm just going to place my donuts where I'm going to want them. And then I'm just going to place half of it here and just fold it over and do the exact same. Try not to get any air bubbles like I just did, but do the exact same thing but on the upper half. Okay, once that was done, I just covered the corners here and the back, so you can just pick it up and be like, ooh, 10 grams of sugar. And then you can just flip it over and see the donuts. Now that I think of it, what you could do is you could write donuts there. I'm just gonna step it up a little bit and make a little tag as well, just because I think that would be cute. Okay, so I added the tag, except without like a little hole to hang it from. I drew it instead, but I wrote donuts on it, then I put the price, which was $2, supposedly. And on the back, I didn't really put any paper there, but that's what it looks like. Well, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. And follow me on Instagram at Unicorn Purple Cat. See you Wednesday. Bye!